WhatsApp monthly user base is around 2 billion. Nowadays, every smartphone user uses WhatsApp for sure. And besides instant messaging and sending medias, the messaging application also includes a few hidden gems and features, which will completely change the way you use WhatsApp on your mobile device. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you 15 amazing WhatsApp tricks which are pretty cool and productive. So with that being said, your WhatsApp guys Divyansh here, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So the first trick is to check that is someone ignoring your messages. Like a lot of people these days turn off their read receipts, so the blue ticks aren't shown even if the messages are seen. So in that condition, for checking that is someone ignoring your messages, you can just send any 1 or 2 second voice note, and whenever that person will listen to that audio, it will show you the blue tick on that audio note, and also the information will be visible that when the message was seen. The second trick is something interesting, and you can use this for annoying your friends, as you can send bulk of messages back to back automatically. For this, you have to download an application named Auto Clicker, and then you have to install it and grant few permissions. And after running the application, select all the buttons on the text you want to send, and then add a final button on the send button, and then lastly click on the play button, and then it will automatically start sending same message again and again, and the receiver will get annoyed and he or she will think that you are typing and sending this message continuously. And if you want to get blocked on WhatsApp by someone, just run this application for 10 minutes. I can bet you that you will get blocked for sure. The third secret is the WhatsApp privacy lock. A lot of people use third-party application locks which are damn easy to crack or stop, and trust me, they are not that safe. A lot of people don't know about it, but WhatsApp itself started its privacy lock. Just go to the settings, then account settings, then privacy option, and there you will see fingerprint lock. Just enable it, and then the application will unlock with your fingerprint. And you can get the face unlock option in Face ID supported iPhones. And this lock is much faster and secure than any third-party other application locks. The fourth trick is to see someone's status anonymously. For this, just go to the settings, then account settings, and then privacy option, and there turn off read receipts, and then just see the status you want to see, and your contact name won't be shown in the list of status viewer. The fifth trick is something helpful or lifesaver. Like suppose if your parents ask for your phone and you are having several conversations which you cannot delete one by one. So in that case, you can delete, clear or archive all the WhatsApp chats in just one go. Or even if you want to completely clean your WhatsApp in just one go, then go to settings, then go to chats option, and then click on chat history. From there you can select any option and you can clean your WhatsApp in just one click. The sixth trick is for recovering deleted messages or medias of WhatsApp. Nowadays, a lot of people send messages or any media and delete it from both the ends. And this happens a lot to me. So in this case, you can download an application named WAMR, and then just grant few permissions, and then whenever anyone will delete any chat or media, it will just notify you with the deleted message or media if your auto download media option is turned on. The seventh trick is to prioritize few WhatsApp chats of some of your important persons. So for this, you have to pin few chat by just clicking on them in Android or by swiping right in iOS, and all those chats will always be shown in the top list of your WhatsApp chats. The eighth trick is to check anyone's favorite person. That means you can check that you talk the most with which person. This is somehow based on approximation. For seeing this, just go to the settings, then just go to data and storage, and then click on storage usage. And there it will show the total media size exchanged between chats. Just click on that for seeing more information about the chat. And with this, you can estimate that you talk the most with whom. The ninth trick is for securing your WhatsApp, and for this you have to go to the settings, then account settings, and then you have to click on two-steps verification. And there you have to set a PIN code and a recovery email address. So even if someone will have the OTP, he or she cannot take the access of your WhatsApp without the PIN set by you. The 10th trick is for creating your own sticker or emojis. Every Android mobile has a Google keyboard. Just go to the stickers section and click on plus icon, and then it will click your picture and will create your type emojis automatically, which you can use in your chats, and it is pretty cool. The 11th trick is to stop few chats medias to be saved onto your gallery. For this, just go to that chat and then open the chat profile and then click on media's visibility. just turn them off, and then they will be saved within the medias of that chat, but won't be saved in your phone's gallery. This is for both Android as well as for iOS. The 12th trick is to save some important messages on your WhatsApp which you can access anytime easily. Just start the message by clicking on them, and you can see those starred messages by going in menu and then going in starred option. This is something very good if you want to start your routine, your daily schedule, or your to-do list. The 13th trick is to message someone using your phone's assistant. This works with Google Assistant too. Like here you can see how Siri works. Hey Siri, message my paradise on WhatsApp that I have reached home.
Just a moment. Your WhatsApp message to my paradise 2 hearts says I have reached home. Ready to send it.
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
This is something very cool to message someone if you want to message someone on very urgent basis with hands-free. The 14th trick is only for Android users. They can make a chat shortcut of their favorite conversation. For this, just open the chat, click on the 3 dots and then click on more. After this, click on add shortcut on home screen. And by this, you can open the chat directly by tapping on that icon. The 15th and the last trick is for setting a custom notification for some important conversations. Like you can set a custom notification sound for your mama's chat. So whenever your mother will ping you, you will easily understand that this message is by your mother. And you can enable it by going into the chat profile and then by clicking on custom notifications. So guys, these were the 15 amazing WhatsApp tricks which I shortlisted, and trust me guys, after watching this video, I can bet you that you are gonna use at least one of the tricks for sure. So guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram @techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. And if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Sharon and I am signing off.